Okay, hi everybody, and welcome to AutoCAM. Today we're going to do a brass knurled nut. It will be 3/4 diameter, 0.500 long, flat bottom, 0.450 deep, with a 1/2 by 18 thread. Let's get started with the operations. Click on the operation box, get a drop down, start with feedstock, index, knurl on, knurl off, index, center, index, drill, index, flat bottom, index. We're going to do a tap in, and automatically it'll tap out will be generated. Tap in, tap out. There we go. Blank. Drop to the cross slides. We're going to start with a first FCS form's got a period, so as we recall, that's for anything that's overlap. FCS form, there it is. The first part of the cutoff, we're going to have a double RI's cutoff before and after the tap. So RCS cutoff, it's got the period, so the first part's overlap. Click it. And then we got RCS cutoff that's not overlap. Clear and stop. The operations are all in. Close the list box. Knurl on, be 0.550. Knurl off, the same, 0.550. Center, 0.270. Drill, 0.470. Flat bottom, 0.170. Tap, 0.470. Front form, 0.08. First part of the cutoff would be 0.115 rise. And after the tap, we're going to cut the rest off at 0.300. Okay, that's the rise for all of our operations. I'm going to put the feed for each one. For the knurl, 0.01 knurl on, knurl off, 0.02. Center, 0.005. Drill, let's see, 0.006. Flat bottom, 0.004. 0.0015 in the front slide. Cutoff, 0.002. 0.002. Okay, operations done, rise, each one done, and feed. Each one is finished. We'll figure out what our spindle speed is for the surface feet. The brass runs around 500. Stock diameter 0.750, it's 3/4. Apply. 2544. We look at our machine, the closest we have, 2450, 2450, so we'll take that. Low speed usually runs 5 to 1 in this case, so the spindle speed is 490 according to what the machine has. Threads per inch. TPS, this TPI stands for thread position number 1, threads per inch, 1. I said it was 1/2 18, so we need to select 18, I should say. And I think we're done. Push apply. Okay. Looks like we need to do our RCS cutoff. I must have missed that one somehow. 0.002, we'll enter that. Apply again. Okay, that's regenerated. We're at 15 seconds here. We got to set our form tool for the sequence going in. So I have our form tool go in at, say, position 34 on the hundreds. Click out here. It should put 42. So between 34 and 42 hundredths, our form tool will be cutting. Now, first, our tap on our first rise will be from, let's start at 37. We'll come in at 37 to 46. And then it'll do it. Let's see. Yeah, tap in and tap out, and then it'll finish doing the cutoff. So here we are. We're all done. Our tap in and tap out, as you recall, we entered 0.470 for the tap in. Using AutoCAM uses Brown and Sharpe recommended formulas, and so it regenerated that to 0.551 and tap out at 0.340 thousandths rise. Our seconds are 15, and that's it. That completes running our little knurled nut. And thank you for joining AutoCAM.